Most med spa ads look good, but do they actually book clients? Today we're going to rewrite one live so you can see exactly what you can fix. All right, so this is a real ad pulled from the Meta ad library, and we go with this one here. While it is visually strong, it may not be doing the job of getting bookings. Here's what's not working. So we look at the ad here. It says, attention, Santa Clarita ladies, we're looking for 16 women to undergo our full figure body contouring program. Get our new client only special on red light body contouring program. Offer ending soon. Tap to learn more. New clients only. And the headline is $67 body contouring package. All right. This looks like a casting call, right? We're looking for 16 women, right? This sounds like a medical trial or a market research, not a beauty offer. It also lacks emotional pull, right? What is full figure body contouring going to do for me? Will I feel slimmer, more confident, fit into my jeans again? It doesn't say. The price is hidden, right? It's not even in the copy, but it's down here in the headline, right? The $67 offer is good, but it's buried in the headline here. It should be loud and clear in the copy above. There's no urgency that feels real. Offer ending soon is overused and unconvincing. There's no countdown, no limited spots, nothing to push me to act now. There's also no benefit forward language, right? It focuses on the service and who it's for, but not what it does or why it matters. Let's rewrite this ad using the same structure we use in the $97 rewrite service. I'm gonna go to my Google Doc here. Before I do that, let me take a screenshot here and put it on my document so I have it. All right, so there's the ad. All right, so we're gonna start with writing some new ad copy. So that copy is gonna call out the local areas. So, hey, Santa Clarita, ready to drop a dress size. Feel lighter, look tighter, and ditch the lower belly bloat in just 30 minutes. We're gonna add some urgency here. This week only. Try our red light body contouring session for just $67. First timers only. Only 5 spots left. Don't wait. Book your glow up now at Clarita MedSpa. Cool, and then we'll add some headlines here. $67 body slimming this week only, and then drop a dress size without surgery. All right, there's our ad copy. So let's talk about what we made here. So we lead with a local call out and desire, right? So we call out Santa Clarita. We say ready to drop a dress size, right? This speaks directly to the result people care about, looking slimmer and more confident. We simplified the benefit here, right? So no more vague body contouring language. Now it's clear, right? Less bloating, less bloat, tighter appearance, fast result. We kept the offer the same, but clear and bold, right? $67 sounds like a great deal. So we just made sure it's not buried. So it's in the copy here. We added urgency that feels real, right? Only 5 spots left, and this week only. These make the reader feel like they need to act right now. The tone is direct, upbeat, and conversational. No fluff, just value, benefit, and momentum. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.